Hello everybody, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing fine, right? Okay, thank you. And what's up guys? Is everything okay? Everything fine? Yes? Okay, cool. Now, so I'm ready for today's class. I hope you are also ready, right? So let us begin our class without any delay. And before going to our class, you all know about the precautions of COVID-19, right? Why? Because COVID-19 is spreading very rapidly, and so we should be careful always. So we should wear a mask when you go outside and use sanitizer when you touch the things of others. These two are very important, right? So now let us discuss about our today's class. So in today's class, let us discuss about subtraction of integers. Okay? In our previous class, we have discussed about addition of integers. I hope everyone watched that video, right? If not, first you watch that video, then only you can understand subtraction in today's class. Yes? And my sincere request, if you really like my video, share my video to your friends and inform them to subscribe my channel. Okay? And so today, let us start our today's class without any delay. So, subtraction of integers. Okay. So, before going to do subtraction directly, let us discuss on number line first. So, subtraction of integers on number line. First, suppose I want 5 minus 2. Okay, always 5 2 same numbers no need. Let us change the numbers. Okay, I am taking 7 minus 4. How to do 7 minus 4 in integers on number line, right? First already as usual I said, first we have to take line and in between 0 should be there always, and after 0 on the right side we have to take positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. In the left side we have to take negative numbers starting from 1, minus 1 here only. Before 0, minus 1 should come, not minus 7, minus 8. Okay? So, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and so on. Okay? So, now we have to move from, we have to calculate 7 minus 4. Yes? So, further sake what we have to do means first from 0 to 7 directly we have to move. Understood? 0 to 7. Again, 7 minus. Already yesterday only I said minus means left side. Plus means right side. So anyhow we are doing subtraction. So we will get minus here. Minus means left side. Left side how many steps we have to move? 4 steps. Understood? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is my answer? 3. So answer is 3. This is how we have to do subtraction on the number line of integers. Okay? Subtraction of integers on the number line when the two integers are positive. Okay, let us see when one is positive and one is negative, then how we have to do. Okay, so now the same second one I am taking 7 minus of minus 4 means I am subtracting minus 4 from 7 here, not 4. Previously I have subtracted 4 from 7, but now what I am doing means I am subtracting minus 4 from 7. Okay, so how to do that? As usual, first we have to take number line. Okay, so from here, anyhow in the middle means here I will get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I hope everyone can see the numbers, right? Are the numbers visible to everyone? Yes? Okay, thank you. So here 11 and so on. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 and so on. Okay, so as usual, so this is equal to, first let us solve this. 7 minus of minus, see here plus of minus, yesterday I have said that there is minus. right? Now we are getting one more, that is minus of minus. So minus of minus is what? plus. So 7 plus 4 is what? 11. So now we have to represent this 11, I mean answer on the number line. How to represent? So as usual we have to move from 0 to 7, right? So here minus of minus has become plus. So already yesterday only I said when it is minus we have to move left side, when it is plus we have to move right side. So now we have to move right side 4 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So my answer is 11. Understood? So this is how we have to do subtraction on the number line. Okay? First suppose this is my one more very easy and important example. Minus 2 minus of minus 1. How to do this? Okay. So first let us simplify this here only. So anyhow minus 2 is first integer as it is. Now what I said, no, minus of minus means plus 1. So when two numbers are different sign, already yesterday only I have said we have to do subtraction. When two numbers are of same side, even if it is minus also we have to do addition. Clear? So now minus 2 plus 1 means subtraction. 2 minus 1 is 1. But bigger number sign should be carried. So minus 1 is the answer. Clear? So let us understand this with the number line. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. Okay? So now first integer is minus 2. So first move from 0 to minus 2. Yes? Up to here everybody understood? Now minus of minus has become plus. Right? So when it is plus we have to move right side. So when I am moving right side, what is the answer I am getting? Minus 1. Am I getting minus 1 here or not? Yes. This is how we have to do minus 2 minus of minus 1. Clear? This is somewhat complicated. That's why I have explained this also. Okay? Remaining are very easy. Clear? So in this way, you can solve, especially 7th class students, if anyone watching means, they can solve their third exercise of their first chapter, integers. Clear? So now let us see without using number line how to simplify. Okay? How to simplify without using number line. That I will explain now. Okay? So up to here everybody understood now? So now let us take first subtraction. Okay? Subtract the following. If not, compute the following, whatever it is. So subtract the following. First one I am taking, okay, 17 minus 12. Okay. Second one, minus 12 minus of minus 5. Okay. Third one, minus 3 minus 4. Okay. Fourth one, 60 minus of minus 20. Okay. Fifth one, 32 minus 58. Okay. Let us solve all these 5 problems now. So now first one, 17 minus 12, direct subtraction. 17 minus 12, 7 minus 2 is 5, 1 minus 1 is 0. So my answer is 5. Okay. Next, minus 12 minus of minus 5. So first minus 12 as it is. Minus of minus is plus. So minus 12 plus 5. When 1 is minus, 1 is plus, we have to do subtraction. So how much 12 minus 5? 7, right? But which sign, which 7 we have to write? Minus 7. Why? Because 12 is having minus here. 12 is the greater number and it is having minus. So answer is minus 7. Clear? Next, third one. Minus 3 minus 4. Same sign. Same sign means we have to take addition. So 3 plus 4 is 7. But sign also very important. Minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7. Clear? Next, 60. Now only I said no, minus of minus is plus. So 60 plus 20 is 80. Clear? 32 minus 58. So first here also we have to do subtraction. 32 is not having any sign means it is positive. Minus 58 means negative sign. Clear? So 32 minus 58. So 58 minus 32. 8 minus 2 is 6 and 5 minus 3 is 2. But which 26? Minus 26. Clear? In integers, when we are subtracting greater number from smaller number, then you have to take the subtraction as it is, but the sign of the number should be the sign of the greater number. So what is the greater number sign here? Minus. So minus 26. Clear? So this is how we have to do the subtraction of integers. Clear? So now let us see some simplification problems. How to do simplification problems by using addition and subtraction both. Okay? Simplify and find the value of the following. Okay, first one, 13 plus of minus 4 minus of minus 17. Okay, how to do this? So first take the sign. First simplify them by using the sign first. So that is equal to 13 plus of minus. This we should be always very clear. Plus of minus is minus. Minus of minus is plus. Minus of plus is also minus, and plus of plus is plus. Clear? Whenever we are solving the problems related to integers, all these four we have to write in the rough work. If not, remember always. Understood? If you forget this, you can't do integers chapter perfectly. Clear? That's why first learn all these four perfectly. That's why. So now plus of minus. If you have any doubt, first you write like this. Then you can do. Plus of minus is minus 4. Minus of minus is plus 17. Right? Now what you can do means either you can do step by step. If not, first add plus signs, then you have to subtract negative signs. Anyhow, let us do step by step. First 13 minus 4. How much? 13 minus 4? 9. Right? 9 plus 17. 7 plus 9, 16. So answer is 26. Understood? So this is how we have to do simplify and find the value of the following. Clear? So now let us take 5 integers. 5 integers with addition and subtraction. Okay? 36 plus of minus 10 plus of minus 7. Okay, minus of minus 17. Okay, plus 15 minus 35. Okay, let us solve this now. So this is equal to 36. First take the signs perfectly. Plus of minus is minus 10. Minus of minus is plus 17. Again plus 15 minus 35. Okay. So now step by step. 36 minus 10 is 26 plus 17 plus 15 minus 35. Okay. So 26 plus 17 plus 15. How much? Add 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. So 8. 58. 58 minus 35. So 8 minus 5 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. So 23 is the answer. Understood? So whenever we are doing calculation, simplification problems in integers, then first of all we need to check the sign of the integers. If there is plus of minus, then we have to write minus. Minus of minus is plus. Understood? These are very, very important in doing subtraction of integers. I mean simplifying using addition and subtraction. Clear? This is how we have to do simplify using addition and subtraction. I hope everybody understood all the concepts whatever I have explained today. Yes? Okay. If you have really understood, it's okay. Good. And if you really like my video, please give it a like. And that's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed my video. Thank you.